Finally, China has given the biggest threat to India, and the problem is that India can only try to escape because we have nothing to hit it. And for the last several days, when I used to give you news of stealth fighter plane, then many of you used to make fun of it, did not understand the seriousness of the matter, that India is in such a big danger. But rest assured, today this news will make you realize that India is in such a big danger and what is India struggling with now. Actually, you see on your screen China's most secret fighter plane J-31B. The biggest news on it that this new stealth fighter plane of China has been included in the Chinese army, and regarding this, China CCTV has also released a proper video, and in this video J-31B has been shown very well, whose testing is now completed. It has been inducted and is fully ready to serve in the Chinese army. Let me tell you that this J-31B is double engine stealth fighter aircraft, and it is compared with American F-35 Lightning II or its B variant. And not only this, the biggest threat for India is not that J-31B has been inducted in the Chinese army, but the biggest threat for India is that China has recently made a deal with Pakistan under which these J-31B soon be inducted in the Pakistani army, which means that you will not only see stealth fighter aircraft on India-eastern Chinese border, but you will also find a stealth fighter aircraft deploy in the hands of countries like Pakistan on the western border. And the most important thing is the way we made fun of China's first stealth fighter aircraft J-20. They did not take it seriously, and there was no point in taking it seriously because it was not a proper stealth fighter plane. You cannot say this about J-21B because China has prepared this fighter plane by learning from all the mistakes it made in J-20. That is, it has made J-31B by correcting all the shortcomings that were left in J-20, due to which it was not stealth. And the most important thing about J-20 was its biggest problem. It is WS engine, which was very bad. This time it has made all the improvement in the WS engine and has made it much better than before. This is the reason why not only the world but America itself is taking J-31B very seriously. That J-31B is really capable fighter plane. You can use it not only on the ground but also on the ground. Not only can it be operated by the Air Force, but it can also be used by the Navy because it also works as a deep base fighter aircraft, which means that it can be deployed on the aircraft carriers of China as well. And this is the reason why J-31B is a headache for everyone from India to America. For India, it is double headache because along with China, Pakistan's army will also operate it, and it is being told that as soon as possible. China will give this fighter aircraft to Pakistan because it has promised that as soon as it join our army, the process of including it in your army will be started within a few months, which means that it will start seeing J-31B in Pakistan army next year. Then do not be surprised at all because its possibilities are very high now, and it will be a bigger problem for India. This thing is that we do not have any answer to this because we do not have a single stealth weapon to counter it. Yes, we have zero stealth fighter plane, and because of this, we will not be able to compete with them properly. All the fighter plane are non-stealth. That is why it is being said that India will have arranged for at least two squadrons of fighter planes from anywhere which are stealth fighter. Earlier, one would have been enough. Now, at least two squadrons will be needed to give a befitting reply to both China and Pakistan. That is why I will ask you subscribe to channel, because there will be a lot of news related of Indian stealth coming now, and you will be to get all of